vergående, eller da?
Now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Now gone.
Happy New Year. Oh, I guess it's Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Ooh, Happy New Year.
So, as I said, everybody, I'm just a moment away from the start of my stunt show over here. Setting up for the stunts. Shooting up the stunt machine.
You want this white phone?
No, thank you.
ये दिमाग में रखो आप हम हर किसी जगह पे हर कोई चीज नहीं ला सकते ये दिमाग में we cannot go ये तो सत्तर को मैं हर किसी जगह पे जाऊंगा
There's just a couple more things I need for my stunt show, everybody. Starting to gather a nice crowd over here already. Sounds like we're having some sound issues. Hope the show's better than the text enough. Just a couple more things I need for my show, everybody. Fantastic. Some drunk German face people in the front row. Fantastic. Some dangerous stunts for you guys tonight. I will be juggling with those in just a second, everybody. There's just one more thing I need for my stunt show, everybody. The most important safety gear. Kids, let's hear it for safety. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, kids, let's hear it for danger. I'll get a little more popular in this family. Thanks, mate. Hey, my name's James, everybody. I'm pretty much ready to start my show over here. We'll get enough of a crowd gathered over here to kick it off. Guys, I don't like to mess around in my show. I'm going to get straight into it for you guys over here tonight with the fire. I'll do the warm-up tricks with the fire, then the two big stunts of my show. I tell you what, everybody, I did have these burning for a minute to warm them up over here. I will put a little more fuel on these fire sticks real quick. I'll kick off my show for you guys with a big flame. Yay! A little more fuel, everybody. I'll start.
Can you do that?
No way.
Alright. Oh, look at this great crowd to start the show. I think I said everyone, my name's James. Saturday night, lovely night. I thought I'd come and do my show. Kids, are you ready for a show? Say yeah. Awesome. Thanks, kids. Adults, are you ready for a show? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, kids. Hey guys, first tricks over here tonight with the fire, everybody. If you like it, guys, help me to kick off my show over here. It's easy. Oh, look at that. Pretty good. Okay. I'll move these out the way. Starting with the fire. Real fire.
No, it's a toy.
Real windy.
Like LED
Real
lights.
dangerous. Real stupid. Okay, guys, time for the clapping with me now. Oh, thank you, guys. Look at that, nice crowd tonight. Thanks, guys. Okay, everybody, the tricks get bigger.
Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh no.
I'm gonna die, aren't I? I'm trying to do the tricks for you guys in the wind. Double spins.
Oh.
Not impressed. All right. Triple spins.
Ooh. Why?
That was the best reaction yet.
Yay.
Alright, Sydney, we're warming up. Where were we? Singles, doubles, triples. And clap now, everybody. Fancy finish. I was never getting that one. Fancy finish.
What are you doing, mate?
What a nice crowd. Hey, I got two big stunts to show you guys. I feel like I'm just going to keep my show moving tonight. Look at that spot in the crowd. I need a brave kid about this big. What about? Way too keen. Yeah, this one. This is the big one. What's your name? Rihanna. Give her a big clap, everybody. Come on. Hello, Rihanna. Rihanna. You need a kid. Stand in the middle. You need a kid. Face the crowd. You need a kid. Freaking out, Rihanna.
Oh no.
How old are you, Rihanna?
He's gonna kill her.
Rihanna, you stand there. I'm going to get you to help me with the next stunt, okay? Rihanna, can you blow these out for me? Big breath, blow them out. Stand in the middle, Rihanna, I'll put them out. Rihanna, really easy. Stand in the middle, face the crowd, big smile, and Rihanna. Rihanna. Freaking out Rihanna now. Rihanna, relax. Hold one hand like this for me. Hold on to the handle. It's okay, hold the handle. Perfect. Put the hand on this handle. That's it, hold them there. Face the crowd. Big smile. Juggle. Right, kid, give it a big clap, everybody. Come on. Excuse me, Ranger. This kid's got knives, man. Rihanna, you did perfect job. Give her a big clap, everyone. Come on.
Yeah.
Rihanna, you passed the test, sweetie. I get you to hold these for me for 1 minute, okay? Awesome. Can you come and stand over the side? Stand on the rope. Stand on the rope. Face me, hold a hand out. Other hand here. Brave kid, big clap. Two big stunts, everybody. I grab the knives from Rihanna. I juggle with all three, balancing on the bike. Straight after that tonight, the big finale of the show. Big finish. Rihanna hits the right unicycle. Let me see who can I spot. I just need this out of the way from the space. Hey, mate, can you hold this for a minute? Good on you, mate. Thanks for that. What's your name? Sam? Give me a nice clap. Everybody's helping us out. Sam. They like you more than me. He's used to it, all right. Hey. I got two big stunts, everybody. We're pretty much all set up. We've got a nice audience here. I tell you what, kick off my show.
This is the most awkward show that I ever watched.
That got me through the semi-finals of Australia's Got Talent.